Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1845, that is seat reservation manager. And in this we have to design a system that manages the reservation of n seats that are numbered from n1 to n. And this is just a simple railway seat reservation system like that. And in this we'll be having a seat manager class, and we have to form the function for that class. In this we'll be having first is the constructor of that class. Second, we are having a reserve number. In this, if this function is called, that we have to fetch the smallest numbered unreserved seats, and it will return the number. And in the unreserved seat, let's say someone cancels their booking, so we'll have to add the seat number back to the unreserved seats. Okay, so it's a pretty simple one. There's nothing much to do. So what we'll be doing, we'll be directly moving to the solution, and we'll be using a priority queue. So first let's name our declare a priority queue. Priority queue. Okay, let me just zoom in. Okay, yeah. So what I'll be doing, I'll be just declaring a queue of integers with, let's say, a name of seats that will be initialized as new priority queue. And here what I'll be doing in the constructor of that, okay, sorry, yeah, in the constructor of this class, what I'll be doing, I'll be just setting adding 5 integers. Let's say for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, and in the I'll be adding that seats in the priority queue. So seats dot add or seats dot push or seats dot offer, anything will work. So I'll be using seats dot offer. I'll be adding all the seats in the priority queue from 1 to n, and then in the reserve seat I'll be just returning seats dot poll. So this will return me the topmost unreserved seat. And here what I'll be doing in this, I'll be just adding seats dot offer seat number. Okay, so this, what this function will basically do, it will add the seat number, and it will automatically heapify the heap. Okay, so now let's run this. Okay, and yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and it works completely fine. Okay, so but if you want to do more time complexity optimization, so what we can do, we can use a tree set. Okay, so let me just reset this, and I hope that everyone knows what a tree set is. A tree set basically is a sorted set, and it will store all the numbers in a sorted manner. So what we'll be doing, firstly I'll be initializing a variable, let's say seat number, let's just call it seat n, and let's just declare it. And here I'll be having a tree set of integers, and let's say I'll be calling that seats. Okay, and in the class, in the constructor of that class, I'll be initializing the seat number with 1, and the seats will be we'll be forming the object of tree set. Okay, and in the reserve seat, what I'll be doing, that first I'll be thinking that if not seats dot is empty, so what I'll be doing, I'll be returning the first non-reserved seat. Okay, so I can do this by simply having a seat number variable that will be equal to seats dot first. This will be returning me the first not reserved seat or unreserved seat basically. And what I'll be doing, then from that I'll be removing that particular seat number, and I'll be returning that seat number, which is the first one to be unreserved, first unreserved seat. Okay, and then what I'll be doing, I'll be just simply, if this is not true, let's say that the seats is empty, so what I'll be doing, I'll be doing seat number, then will be equal to my seat number, which is the one. Okay, let's okay. And here I'll be doing the seat number will be increasing by one, and then in that case I'll be returning that particular seat number. Okay, and in the unreserved seat I'll be just adding the seat number to the tree set. Okay, seats dot add seat number. Okay, so just this is the thing. So now let's run it. Okay, let me just change the name of this variable. Let me make it as mark. Okay, I'm just marking the seats here. It should be marked. Let's say the first seat will obviously be marked with one, so mark. Then here also mark. Here also I'll be just simply doing mark, and I guess this should still work. Yeah, and it works. And now let's submit it. And yeah, and this works way better than that. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.